What's up, everybody? Today we're doing a different kind of video. If you ever wondered how they take out stumps, well, today you're gonna find out. I'll show you guys my favorite street in Utica. No potholes, nothing, just smooth road. Look at that. Trees, the birds are chirping. The machinery has arrived. You can control the machine manually, both from here, from this control board here. You can also control it from the remote, and that's what we do just because we get better access that way. So usually start the machine, activate the remote, back her out, pull up to the stumps, and start doing the work there. So there we go. Start her up. Cold start. These right here are the blades. Safety first. That sounds guys, we're almost done. Just getting the roots a little bit. Trying to find them.
This was very exciting to see. This is what the controls look like. That about wraps it up.
Good day's work. Got about 4 hours in. 8 stumps, 8 sizable big stumps. Good landowners here. Worked well with them. We got a lot done with some help. So machine worked well. Maybe with even sharper teeth would go even faster. But we got down well below the ground surface, and looks like we got a repeat customer here. Was happy with their work. We can always come back later for more stumps and more work. So
stay tuned for the next one.